This one tastes so good.
This is good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LovelyJodiAnn bringing you back another video. Today I'm joined by my lovely sisters, Jodi-Ann and Jaleesa, and today we are bringing you a food challenge. We're here to settle the pizza debate on which is the best pizza. So we have Pizza Hut and we have Domino's. So we decided why not use pizza brands that not only we will be able to eat, but everyone
will be able to try it.
Exactly.
So if you're in Jamaica, try this.
Exactly. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins will get to choose a ballot in this cup, and whatever the ballot says is whichever brand you will be trying. Jodi-Ann is on Jaleesa's team, and I'm alone. Yeah, let's begin. So rock, paper, scissors. Scissors. Okay, so shake it. Okay, go. Alright, let's see what she gets.
I got Pizza Hut.
Okay, so the first thing we'll be trying is pizza.
Switch.
So switch. Okay, so let's try. So give Jodi-Ann one slice, I'll take one slice. Okay, so here's our pizza. This is Domino's.
And this is Pizza Hut.
Yeah. Okay. So we just got
And
simple
these are
cheese
both
pizzas.
small.
These are both small.
Okay? Keep it in mind. This is Pizza Hut.
Okay, so Pizza Hut, the small comes with 6 slices, and no, this is a medium. So the medium comes 2, 4, 6, 8. So the medium comes with 8. So let's try that. So Jodi-Ann, you're gonna try what Jaleesa has. Okay, cheers.
Ooh. Is this extra cheese or something?
Jodi-Ann, eat. Come on. No. Jodi-Ann, eat from here. You weirdo.
You're eating
Eat it from the
the
crust. Okay, let's try it. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Go. I don't know. Domino's to me just tastes very like low quality. I mean, you literally got what you pay for. So, can you straighten up your back? You're so hunched. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna try Pizza Hut. I'm gonna try Domino's. I'll try the Pizza Hut.
And we're gonna try.
Everyone, it tastes so
Tastes good?
Feels good?
Take this one.
I love Pizza Hut.
I prefer Domino's.
Everyone, this tastes so good.
I definitely prefer Pizza Hut. Okay, which one do you prefer? The first one or the second one?
This one.
This one? Or so you prefer the first one? Pizza Hut just hits different. It's just so soft. Like, it literally tastes like dough. Domino's? I like it. We're gonna give 2 points to Pizza Hut and 1 point to Domino's. So next up we have wings.
Yeah.
So this is the packaging for Pizza Hut.
And this is the packaging for Domino's.
Okay, so we got honey garlic wings because that's our favorite sauce.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna compare it. So rock, paper, scissors. Okay, me and Jodi-Ann are gonna do it.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors. No, wait. Okay, look, listen. You have to do rock, paper, scissors. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, she cut me. Okay, so Jodi-Ann has to go.
Ooh, one for the team.
Take one. One? Okay, perfect. So open it.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. Okay, so Jodi-Ann and Jaleesa will be trying Pizza Hut. And I'll be trying Domino's. Okay, so
This is how Pizza Hut's wings look. Honey garlic.
okay, wait.
This is classic, right?
Yeah. Because they either have classic or boneless. Or boneless.
Oh,
Boneless. Recommend to do it well done because every time I have Domino's wings, I'm not a fan. But.
oh, I can
Okay, so this is the honey garlic wings. Okay. Alright, so let's get one. Okay, I'll do it. No. You have to try it. You have to try it. You have to try it.
You have to try it.
Just one. You have to try it. That's
Try
the
one
video.
for the video. No, you have to hold it yourself.
I can't.
She doesn't know.
Because I
You
don't
can wipe
like
your hand after. You
Okay, wait. Okay, so okay, she's.
It's too honey.
It's too honey. Okay, Jodi-Ann, just this one.
This one doesn't have that. Okay.
This one? Okay.
Hold the top part.
She hates to be like a
Hold
song.
the top part.
Hurry.
Hurry up and hold it. Hold it.
Don't drop it. Okay, ready? Okay, let's. Okay, wait. Cheers.
Yeah.
Oh.
It tastes kind of like pineapple.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like pineapple.
Their honey garlic tastes like barbecue and honey garlic mix.
This one?
No, mine. They're king or bone, eh?
No, this one.
Okay. Oh no, it wasn't bad. From what I can remember, I'm gonna try yours.
We're gonna try this one.
This looks so good and so saucy.
This one looks really nice.
So guys, this is the great day.
Ours are great.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
What's it called?
Pizza Hut.
What?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Tell them, break it down for them how to say it. P.
Pizza Wood.
No, pizza.
Wood.
Say it.
Hut. 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 Just say it again.
Oh my, she's making us say wood. One thing about these are very like liquidy.
Yeah.
Saucy.
Wait, so yeah, so the difference is their sauce is literally like thin.
Water.
Yeah, it's like literally like watery. It's very thin. This is like very thick. I like Pizza Hut's wings.
I prefer Pizza Hut.
Guys, it tastes so good. Like,
Sauce, and this actually tastes like honey garlic. And it's actually sweet. This one, you get a little bit of savory. It tastes like barbecue mixed.
I'm done.
Which one do you prefer?
Where's the
That
prefer?
Not this one.
Which one or the second one?
I like that one.
That one? Yeah.
Because it's so good. Like,
So that's 3.
It's sweet? It's actually sweet, yeah. Pizza Hut wings? I actually never tried Pizza Hut wings. They're actually so good. I never pineapple. It's so good. Pizza Hut has 5 points. And Domino has 1 point. What is it called? Wait. What is it called?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Okay, everyone, that was the first day I know. It's showing me like this one or this one.
So our final thing we'll be trying is the Cinna parts from Pizza Hut and
The Cinna Stix from Dominos.
okay, so this is apparently one of their most popular dessert.
Wait, don't try to tease. This is for me. I don't want it.
So
The icing.
yeah, let's do rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors.
Pick one.
She got 0.
Bye.
Okay, go.
Pick one.
Pizza Hut.
Okay, so this is how mine looks. Oh, mine looks burnt. Ooh. It is the cinnamon.
And this is mine. Mine looks well done.
Looks really good.
Well done.
Okay, let's try this.
I don't like that. I want to because I don't
Jesus,
like
take the wheel.
No.
It literally looks like just dough.
So it's like pull apart. Pull it apart.
Okay, and then they have the dipping sauce. So. That looks so good.
I want to do.
It's
We got
enough for
the
me.
gummy.
How's yours? Let's try it.
It's okay. It has a very thick consistency, but the icing tastes very good.
I don't
This
like-
literally just tastes like dough with cinnamon sugar on top.
This is.
So I'm not a fan. Yeah, I cannot finish mine. Switch. I think I might like this one. This one actually looks like an actual cinnamon. So. I think this needs to be more hot because we kept it out for a little. But it's not bad. Like, it definitely tastes like a cinnamon bun. The icing is really good. The glaze on the cinnamon sugar is not
And how
bad.
is that? This is.
I rather Pizza Hut, but I like the Domino's sweet icing. It tastes a little like coconut.
Can I taste the icing?
It's not bad, but it's not good. So you're saying Pizza Hut?
I prefer Pizza Hut.
I like this one.
Yeah, I'm saying Pizza Hut.
You like this one?
Yeah, I like this
So-
one. I want Domino's.
Okay, so 2 Pizza Huts, 1 Domino's. There's obviously a clear winner, and the winner is Pizza Hut. We paid $30 each. Domino's came with a medium pizza, 10 wings, and the Cinna Stix. It was $30. And at Pizza Hut, it was just a small pizza, the Cinna Bites, and 8 wings. It came to the same price as Domino's. So you literally get what you paid for. So you're gonna get the quantity here, but you're gonna get the quality What do you think, Julissa? What's your last closing remarks?
I prefer Pizza Hut. I didn't think so because I don't like their pizza, but everything else, like their chicken wings and their Cinnabon, perfect.
Yeah.
For Pizza Hut.
Okay, so this is the end of our video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up.
5 thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We definitely settled the debate today. We are from Toronto, and honestly, Pizza Hut is where it's at. It's just simple, right? Okay, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
I'ma make it for certain. I know it's all gonna be worth it. No, I won't back down.